This training video will guide you through adjusting the shape and size of an existing pad. First, make sure the pad creation tool is selected top left. You can then select the pad you would like to modify and adjust the shape by clicking and dragging on any part of the pad. You can see the overall dimensions and pad area change automatically. If you prefer, you can switch between perspective and top-down view. You can also toggle between metric and imperial units of measure. If you've created a pad shape you want to proceed with, but you'd like to scale the overall size, select the pad info icon bottom left and override the area.